Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure both cloud accounts are ready and reachable. This avoids partial transfers. First, on your iPhone, enable contacts in iCloud and force a sync so the latest entries upload. Next, sign into Google on a browser or the device and prepare to import. If you prefer a manual route, export a vCard from iCloud. Once done, verify network access and a recent backup so you can roll back if anything goes wrong. You now move data into the Android environment. This is where most merges happen. If using Cloud Sync, add the same Google account on your iPhone or export iCloud contacts to a vCard and upload to Google Contacts. On Android Open Contacts, import the VCF or let Google sync automatically. Make sure to grant permissions so contacts appear system-wide. Once import completes, check for duplicate detection and choose Merge when safe. You finish by verifying every contact across the iPhone, Android, and Google Contacts web. Consistency matters for daily use. If you see duplicates, use Google's Merge or a trusted cleaner to avoid manual edits. If some contacts don't appear, make sure iCloud contacts are enabled and force a sync, then re-import the vCard. Network hiccups often cause missed entries. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out and back into Google on the affected device to trigger a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.